Hi, to remove Google account on your Redmi Note 14 Pro, you need to open Settings. Here scroll down to find this Google tab, and after that you should see this information about your Google account. So simply tap this arrow near your Gmail and now select Manage Accounts on this device. After that, you should see this list of accounts in which you signed in. And if you want to remove your Google account, just select it. Then tap on these three dots, More, and choose to remove account. Another option how you can do this is in Main Settings, choose Additional. Now scroll down and find this tab Accounts and Synchronizing. And now simply choose your Google account and as we did before, tap on More and choose to remove it. After that, you need to confirm by pressing blue button. And now confirm again by tapping OK. After that, you need to verify that it's you. So if you set fingerprint unlock, you can scan it or you can use pattern. So now it is removed. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.